Jupiter, the king of planets, the gas giant, and a cosmic colossus. It's surrounded by over 90 moons that orbit beneath the watchful eye of one of the most iconic storms in the solar system, the Great Red Spot. But what would it be like to live on these moons? Let's dive in. First, the Great Red Spot itself. This isn't your average storm. It's been raging for over 350 years and is massive, big enough to swallow Earth whole. Its winds whip at speeds over 400 miles per hour, creating a swirling chaos that dominates Jupiter's atmosphere. From afar, it's mesmerizing, but for the moons nearby, it's a symbol of the powerful, unforgiving forces of this part of the solar system. Now let's meet the most famous of Jupiter's moons, the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These worlds are as diverse as they are fascinating. Io, imagine living on a volcano that never stops erupting. Intense tidal forces from Jupiter's gravity stretch and squeeze Io, turning its insides into molten lava. It's the most volcanically active place in the solar system, but with constant eruptions and rivers of lava, let's just say it's not exactly hospitable. Then there's Europa, smooth, icy, and hiding secrets. Beneath its frozen crust lies a massive ocean, more water than all of Earth's oceans combined, and where there's water there could be life. But there's a catch. Europa sits in an intense radiation belt, bombarded by Jupiter's charged particles. You'd need some serious shielding just to survive a single day. Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, bigger even than Mercury. It's got its own magnetic field, a rare trait for a moon. Scientists think it might also have a subsurface ocean. It's a tantalizing possibility for exploration, or maybe even future colonization. And then there's Callisto, the ancient cratered outcast. It's further away from Jupiter, which means it escapes most of the radiation. In fact, Callisto is considered one of the best candidates for a human base. Quiet, icy, and a little less chaotic. What's incredible is how these moons interact. They're locked in a gravitational dance, resonating in perfect rhythm. Ganymede orbits once, Europa does 2 laps, and Io completes 4. This cosmic choreography keeps their interiors active, shaping their geology and fueling their mysteries. But living on any of these moons? It would be a challenge of extremes. Crushing gravity, intense radiation, and the ever-present rumble of Jupiter's magnetic field and storms. Yet, it's in these extremes that some scientists believe life could exist, hidden in Europa's oceans or thriving in Ganymede's hydrothermal vents. So, what does it mean to live in the shadow of a giant? For now it's a dream. A dangerous, thrilling, and awe-inspiring dream. These moons remind us of the possibilities that lie beyond Earth. They're not just rocks in space, they're worlds full of mystery and potential. And who knows, maybe someday they'll be our home.